It's a beautiful place. I remember they had some great hot dogs. And what was it? You guys have a regional beer. I don't drink anymore, but I remember Old Style was the regional beer. Is that still a thing?
I never got to have it. I used to smoke the pipe cigars, and in '81 we bought a new car, and I said, I thought you were going to smoke in this and smoke everything up. I said, no, I quit. You didn't believe it, I did.
I'll take any excuse to quit a habit. I feel you. I smoked cigarettes for many years, and I still occasionally will have a cigar, but nowhere near as often, maybe once a month now. And it's a good habit to get rid of, that's for sure. I think all of our bad habits are good habits to get rid of.
Well, I got into the habit of getting back into radio. I grew up on a farm northwest of here back in the 60s and graduated from high school in '69. And by golly, Dad had 5 Camel Johnsons, and I learned how to run them. And just back when you had to have a license, and so everything was different. Well, then we got married later in the years, and in '74 I bought a bundle and a 23 channel Regency base and a CLR2 ground plane antenna. And incidentally, that's the antenna I'm talking off of. I put it in storage in the '90s, and it was out of the radio for a while. And when I retired, I got back into it. Wife don't like it real well, but I'm enjoying it.
I hear you on that. Yeah, my wife tolerates my hobby. I think the fact that I'm on YouTube now and that she sees that people are interested in it helps a little bit, but yeah, she just barely tolerates it. I keep my toys out here in the garage. That helps a lot. But you know, it's interesting. You say you kind of got out of it in the late '90s and just recently got back into it when you retired. You actually missed the worst part of CB because as it died off for a while there, it was nothing but the worst that was still on the air. And those guys and gals went on and found other places to annoy people, I suppose. So we're here now, and what's coming back is a lot more, to me anyway, like ham radio of the old days as well. So I'm enjoying it. It's just so cool to talk to you again after all this time.
Yeah, Eric, it's really busy on this end, so I'm only going to get short of what you're saying. But by golly, I'm talking on a Cobra 142. It's just a plain ordinary hand mic on it. I've got 100 whiskey and a power supply out here running it. That's about it. I don't have anything terrific. I've got about 17 radios and 5 of them don't work. I've got when I mentioned I grew up on the farm with the 5 channel Johnson, I had one given to me here about a year ago, and it works. It's an excellent old radio. It just don't have a lot of
Yeah, that's old school for sure. I've seen a couple of those at Hamfests and flea markets, but never owned one. That's amazing. Yeah, the 142 though that's that's the standard of all radios back in the day. I've got the Bearcat 980, and I'm talking on the Max 2000 right now, and I've got a I think it's a 23 amp power supply that's powering this whole little thing up. But it's been great talking with you. And if we fade in and out, yeah, I'm getting some voices on this side as well. But appreciate the comeback, appreciate the conversation. Glad to hear you're doing well.
Yeah, what about are you located, Eric? I've always often wondered that. You always say Farpoint Farms. I'm thinking that you're up in the hills.
Yes, sir. I am right at the North Carolina-Tennessee line.
Okay. Look it up on the map. Maybe I can kind of pinpoint where you're at. That's why I gave you the Rock Island location. That's north of me quite a ways, but I'm around the bend. There's a big bend up there that the Mississippi turns on, and I'm below that. And then about 30 miles to the east of Mississippi, just in that general area, you'd find me. My golly, it's been great talking to you again, Eric. I'll listen for you. Your number is 707, am I correct?
Yes, sir. 707 Farpoint Farms. That's what I used to go by North Star 707, but so many folks know me by Farpoint Farms now. I figured I'd just go ahead and announce myself as that. But yep, 707 Farpoint Farms. I'll be on the side, my friend. It was great talking.
Yeah, it's been good talking to you, Eric. Boy, it's busy over here in Cloud Channel. Oh, my God. I got to get out of here. Safe day and a safe week, and I'll listen for you again sometime. I usually stand by on times come up here on the sideband. I enjoy the sideband a lot more than I do the AM channel. Well, you have a fine one out there. 707 690 Northwestern Illinois. I'm QRT.
Take care, 690. I'll see you next time.